Welcome back to Inside the Box and welcome to my first video on my playlist of eBay managed payments. I hope to do a lot of videos and tutorials answering questions that you have about eBay managed payments. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. In this video, I want to talk about how eBay is going to be paying you now, when you're going to see that money, and how you can set up your shipping to automatically be taken out of that money so that you don't have to use your PayPal to pay for it. So stick with me through this video. I'll explain each of these things more as we go. But first, thank you everyone. I've hit 100 subscribers and I am so happy about it. My goal doesn't stop there though. So if you want to keep helping my channel out, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. But that's just mind-blowing to see. I just started YouTube this year. It's just incredible to me that so many people that I don't know are even following. And I can't describe that feeling. I wasn't quite prepared for it when I started YouTube, but I'm really grateful and thank you guys for your support, and I hope I can provide useful information to you. And let me know what videos you want to see and what questions you have so that I know what information to give you. Okay, quick disclaimer, I do not work for eBay. The things I'm going to share with you are based on my own experience. The questions that I've had with eBay, the ways I've figured out how to solve them. Now, I'm not saying my ways are the best ways, but I know that they work. If you have had different experiences with eBay or different ways to address the issues that I talk about on my channel or the questions that I answer on this channel, please let us know in the comments below so we can learn from you too, because I'm learning from you guys also. I know a lot of you switched over to managed payments before I even did, so you're ahead of me in that area. So go ahead and share your knowledge with us and we can learn together. If you know of a different way to do something that I explained, please let us know in the comments below. So eBay used to pay you using PayPal, and not everyone has been switched over yet, but by the end of this year, everyone is supposed to be switched over to eBay managed payments. I switched over when I got a message from eBay, but when I got this, what I did is I clicked through and I hit learn more. And unfortunately, I can't show you the process for how to do this because I've already done it and I didn't film it, but you can click through and learn more about it. Once I clicked through and gave all my information, I got this message that said, "You're in, your account has been activated for managed payments. Welcome to the new way to sell and get paid on eBay." And a congratulations, just saying that it worked. So that's how I knew I was in eBay managed payments. And shortly after that, I sold my first item. So eBay is now going to deposit my payments into my bank account. So no need for PayPal anymore, right? Well, hold on. You don't want to get rid of all your cash in PayPal yet. The reason is because you need to decide how you're doing shipping. So eBay managed payments takes a while to pay you out. So it used to be a buyer paid for an item and instantly that money would show up in your PayPal account and you could use that money to buy your shipping label. Not anymore. eBay managed payments, for me, my experience, it's taken about 3 days for me to get that money into my bank account. So I don't have the instant money in PayPal to pay for a shipping label. There's a way to work around this. So you can either keep money in your PayPal and continue paying for shipping labels and just get kind of reimbursed when that payout comes to your bank account from eBay, or you can set it up so the shipping fee automatically comes out of your payout amount. So when that money hits your eBay account, the shipping's already been taken out and you won't have to use PayPal. So I'm going to show you a way I figured out how to do that. So when you go to purchase a shipping label off of eBay, if you scroll down until you see the shipping label format and select how to pay, and you'll notice that it might default to paying with your saved PayPal account because that's how you've been paying for shipping labels. You want to change to pending payout. That'll take the shipping fee out of the money that's waiting to hit your bank account, so you don't have to have any money in PayPal to make this work. Once you click it, it'll say select how to pay, and automatically it'll have selected your saved PayPal account, but you want to change it to your pending accounts. So go ahead and click your pending accounts and set up payments. Once you click this, the cost for shipping will automatically come out of the money that's pending for your payout. I hope that addressed some of your guys' questions. Please let me know what your eBay managed payment questions are in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please share it with other people, because I know a lot of other people are having these same questions about this. And everyone's going to have to face this sooner or later, because whether you've been switched over yet or not, everyone will be switched over to eBay managed payments. So please, let's share this information with others and help make this a good and easy transition. This was, of course, with help from Kindred Joy. If you guys haven't yet, go check out her channel, go support her, and hit subscribe. She shares joyful short films that will have you laughing until you cry. They're the best. She doesn't talk about eBay, but it's something that her and I talk about together, and we work through these questions and problems together. So huge thank you to her for helping me find the solutions to the questions in this video. Thank you everyone for your support. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. I'll catch you in the next video.